To download your account statements from Telstra, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Telstra.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Overview. Once logged in, go to the Account Overview section. This area provides a summary of your account details and services. Step 3. Access billing information. Look for the Billing or Statements tab in the menu. Click on it to view your billing history and available statements. Step 4. Select the statement. Find the specific account statement you wish to download. You may have options to filter by date or type of statement. Click on the statement to open it. Step 5. Download the statement. Look for a download or save button, usually in PDF format. Click on it to save the statement to your device. Now you can easily access and review your Telstra account statements whenever needed.